Okalebo Innocent is my name, and I'm delighted for today as the D-Day, the long-awaited day, whereby I come to pick my wife to be, and that is Tugabire Shaphra. So it has been some time since we've been together, and I want to officially make it formal so that she can be lawfully be seen as my wife. So today, as 27th May, marks the day when she will be given to me as my wife. And I want to thank God for making this day come possible, because it started as a simple day, a simple mission, a simple something that we had suggested, but it has finally come to pass. And we give God the glory. I promise to love my wife, that she's the only queen, the only bean in the soup. She's irreplaceable. I wish to glorify God for her, because I met her as one and I'll have her as one. So I only pray that God keeps her for me, and of course we start a family as a happy couple, and nothing should come and interfere with what has been started and finalized. I give the glory back to God.
Yobakutandike kumande ngonjagazise byalavu ulirangeze engoye zinfunze oli musana mude bwekidde dozi yesanyu gyompanze labayona kanyiriro bekameze buno obuwomi bwakita nkobazayo kwensona obulungi wegoba namalayika ebyondo byewekoza bincamula fuka nompola bambi tompalula bidemu neera binkolera wadde binega bincamula wabula olina ekipawa olina effumu mutima gwennyini obikoze ddiya wabula olina ekipawa olina effumu mutima gwennyini obikoze ddiya nebuuza tesekwebuuza
mwene nasemererwa munonga nashemererwa kandi nagaruza ruhanga ekitiinisa
omufamire yitu ogu niwo mushiki w'okubanza kubaasa kukora ekintu nk'eki. Nimusiima habw'okutureetera omushaija akamutwanjurira omu butongore kandi akagaruka akatuheereza ekitiinisa nk'eki yatuheerezeze obeeri, kandi ebyandaganize byona nindeeba ariyo nabihikiriza. Mbwenu ekitiinisa nikigaruza ruhanga ayongere kuguma murinzire, amuheereza amaani omu bushwere obu yazamu, akore eka erikwisa ruhanga ekitiinisa hamwe n'abazaire be.
omuri ebyo byona Shaphra namwendeza obushwere burungi, kandi marika mwebembere agende na rukundo eyabasize kutworeka, kandi agende na rukundo akunda abazaire be ahiyaza akunda omushaija we na munonga. Nimwendeza okukunda Mukama, amukunde kandi Mukama mwebembere atarimurugaho.
Bingi mbagira ngu like today it's a giveaway ceremony introduction, but it hurts. You feel like your sister is leaving, you feel like your sister is going away, but we wish her a happy marriage. This kind of a loving sister, her being the firstborn. I grew up now, I find my sister and she's caring, and you know she's my elder sister. It's so interesting.
Yeah, I understand that. Our sister is C. She's our first eye.
When we do it, but our sister is somehow kind. The person who cares about her.
Malata Yesu, nara iro konjariyo kwetunga. Lolo itelekoni tesona, lo itelekoni. koto ikantunga enga jena dino munu miolo lo 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 dino munu miolo lo 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 enga jena ne korara pese lo 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 e korara pese lo lo lo
chiri bachachenyeza kukoba kebale tebe sente tebintegule nebari batoko terichikera zena kwefuga wena kufune byange nebikwa mutime wangu ni mugole alalala ni webegula zena lokinga ni muzire yaire ndiberawo wabuloli nechipawa ulire fumu umutima wenyini obikoze dia wabuloli nechipawa ulire fumu umutima wenyini obikoze dia buno buwombi batita nkobazayo kwensuna obulungi wegoba na malayika ebyono byewekoza bincamula fogano mpola bambi tompalula bedemunera binkolera wadde bindega bincamula wabuloli nechipawa ulire fumu umutima wenyini obikoze dia wabuloli nechipawa ulire fumu umutima wenyini obikoze dia baby touch me there bambi nakunia obikoze dia tonga kunia baby touch me here bambi nakunia obikoze dia tonga kunia baby touch me there bambi nakunia obikoze dia tonga kunia baby touch me here bambi nakunia obikoze dia tonga kunia pereza kumireyo sagala mpitirire kwatirako bambi wandiba bwe budde bwe oligayo wange wayogera ekyo bwe kiba amanya okukeera yangamba akagato kagure bwekesala nyuma okufa kyokate ndaba kano kagendeddeko kateteeyi gayo nomwagala kufa era sagala yebowe jagala mikwano gye gimuwana okulonda nga nange asabudde oli omwana oli omwana oli omwana bannanga nkuba mwagala lwakuba alina ekyejo bambi era ebintu bye okwata mpola 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 yene bumunyiza tamanyi nnyo kunyiga mwagala lwa mbeera embeera ziteezo mwagala era ne bweribe mbuyaga yengenda mubagalira kyekiri nkubaddolera kinsuuza omwana ono yengenda mubagalira nabo muzaala bajja kuba empapula kino ekintu ngenda kisoosowaza